Welcome to today's tutorial on the latest farming technology. If you're a farmer looking to boost efficiency and sustainability, this video is for you. We'll explore cutting-edge tools like precision agriculture, drone technology, and smart irrigation systems, all designed to revolutionize the way we farm. Stick around for a bonus tip on how to integrate these technologies into your operations without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow farmers. Let's start with precision agriculture, a game changer for modern farming. GPS-guided tractors. These tractors use GPS to ensure accurate planting, fertilizing, and harvesting. This minimizes waste and maximizes yields. Soil sensors. By placing sensors in your fields, you can monitor soil health in real time, helping you decide when and how much to water or fertilize. Yield mapping. Combine GPS data with yield monitors to track the productivity of specific areas in your field. Pro tip: if you're new to precision agriculture, start small by investing in soil sensors and gradually expand to GPS-equipped machinery. Let me know in the comments if you're already using any of these tools. Next up is drone technology, which is transforming the way we monitor crops and manage farms. Crop monitoring. Drones equipped with cameras can capture detailed images of your fields, allowing you to spot issues like pests, diseases, or irrigation problems early. Spraying drones. Some drones can spray pesticides or fertilizers with precision, reducing chemical waste and environmental impact. Field mapping. Use drones to create 3D maps of your land, helping you plan planting and irrigation more effectively. If you're thinking about trying drone technology, check out my guide in the description for choosing the right drone for your farm. Irrigation is one of the most critical aspects of farming, and smart systems are making it easier than ever. IoT-enabled systems. These systems use Internet of Things, IoT, technology to monitor moisture levels and automatically adjust water usage. Weather integration. Smart irrigation systems can integrate with weather data to optimize watering schedules, saving water during rainy seasons. Mobile control. Control your irrigation system remotely using your smartphone or tablet, ensuring your crops get the right amount of water even when you're not on site. Pro tip: look for smart irrigation systems with energy-efficient pumps to save both water and electricity. Hit the thumbs up button if you'd like a separate video on smart irrigation. Robots are no longer a thing of the future. They're here to help on the farm. Harvesting robots. Machines like the Agribot can pick fruits and vegetables with precision, reducing labor costs and minimizing crop damage. Weeding robots. These robots use AI to identify and remove weeds without harming your crops. Automated planting machines. Robotic planters ensure consistent seed depth and spacing, leading to better yields. While these technologies require an upfront investment, the long-term savings on labor and resources can be substantial. If you're considering robotic farming, drop a comment below, and I'll guide you through the options. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Start integrating technology by applying for grants or funding programs designed to support sustainable farming. Many governments and organizations offer financial assistance to help farmers adopt these innovations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the latest farming technology. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other farmers in your community. What's your favorite farming technology, or what are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy farming!